What is up, you guys? It's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be doing probably the most requested video on YouTube, which is trying on my whole entire closet.
Yes, you heard me right. I'm going to try on my whole entire closet.
And this video is probably going to be 6 hours of footage, but we're going to try to trim it down to at least 20 to 30 minutes for you guys, so stay tuned. Before I go any further on with this video, I do want to say that I know I still have to give out my 500 subscriber giveaway winner. I still have to announce it. I am working on it and it'll be announced probably in the next week. So please just bear with me. It's a crazy time. I'm trying to see if I could still ship stuff right now. So depending on who the winner is and everything, some parts of the United States aren't allowing shipments. So I hope you guys understand, and without further ado, let's just get right into trying on my whole entire closet. Okay, so this is what my closet currently looks like. I wouldn't say it's the cleanest. I also wouldn't say it's the messiest it's ever been, but we are going to try on all the clothes that are hanging up, and I am going to decide whether I want to keep it or whether I want to sell it. So let's just get started. So this was the very first thing that was in my closet. It's just a blue zip up. I've actually never worn it before, and I actually find it so crazy that I have so many things in my closet that I probably have never worn before. And I also do want to say I am so lucky for all the clothes that I do have, and I do know I have so much, and I already know how much hate I'm gonna get from this video, but I will be donating and selling some of my items on Poshmark, and my Poshmark will be listed down below, so just keep that in mind throughout this whole entire video. But this is the first one, and I like it. I feel like it's necessary to have a jacket like this, so I think I'm gonna keep this one. Or not jacket, sweatshirt, but I think I'm gonna keep it because it's cute. This one is kind of like the same thing as the last one. It's just a light blue, kind of maybe a little lighter, like purplish shade, but I think it's really cute, and it's also like cropped, so I am going to keep this one. I am going to try to get rid of as many like similar looking things as I could, but this one's really cute and it's different because it's cropped, so I am going to keep it. This is another like sweatshirt. It's from Pink. It looks like this, and I think I'm gonna get rid of it. I used to wear this every single day in middle school and high school, and I just haven't worn it in a really long time, so this is something I'm going to be getting rid of. It will be on my Poshmark if you guys are interested in buying it. And I also just wanted to tell you guys really quick that I am going to be trying on a lot of the same colors all at once because my closet is somewhat color organized. So the top rack is all like long sleeves in color organization, and then the bottom is like all short sleeves in color organization. So just so you guys know why I'm trying on a lot of the same colors all in the same series. Does that even make sense? I don't know. Okay. Next piece of clothing. I'm not going to talk a lot about each piece of clothing because I honestly think that would take about 8 hours, and I don't want to make you guys watch that much footage. But for this one, I am going to get rid of it. I really do like it, and it says my name on it. It's a jacket from high school. I was on the varsity gymnastics team, even though I wasn't that good. That was the only gymnastics team that they had in my school. It was really fun, but I just feel like I wouldn't wear it again, so there's no point in keeping it. This is probably something I'm going to donate just because I don't think anyone wants something with my last name on it, and I don't really see the point in selling it, but yeah. The next thing is this plaid shirt that I like tied on the bottom. I really do like this. I do have a lot of plaid and I like never wear it, but this one is something I feel like I will make myself wear, so I'm gonna keep this one and probably get rid of some like red colors that I probably wouldn't wear. This is really cute and I'm gonna keep it. Okay, this is the next one, and I'm not a big fan of it. It's kind of big on me, so I'm going to sell it on my Poshmark. We are finally out of the blue zone, so that's good. This is the next one. It's a gray turtleneck, and it's like kind of like sweatshirt material, but more of like a sweater. And this one I really like. It's one of my go-to sweaters in the winter, so I'm definitely keeping this one. This one I'm going to give away. I'm not a huge fan of it. It's cute, but it's a little big on me, and I think it's better to give it away. Okay, so this shirt is one of the first shirts I ever got from Brandy Melville, and it is so soft and so comfortable, but it's really big. The sleeves are like even long, so I'm also going to be getting rid of this one. This one I feel like just does not flatter my body, so we'll definitely be getting rid of this one as well. It's also kind of itchy, so this one I will also be getting rid of. It's just like one of those like white fuzzy sweatshirts, but I don't know, I just don't think it looks good on me. Okay, so this is the first like crop topish shirt I have tried on in this video, and I really like it, so I will be keeping this one. So this shirt is really cute, but I feel like I just have way too many plaid things, so I will be getting rid of it. The next shirt I am wearing has like little shoulder holes, and it looks like this. I really like this shirt, so I will be keeping it. This is the next shirt. It has like little accents and like stripes and strings, and I like it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it yet, but I might. I'll decide. I'll put it in like my deciding pile. Just no. No, it's just no. Okay, this one is just, again, another no. This is the next one, and I like it, but I feel like I have too many clothes that look similar to it, so I will be getting rid of it. So I was just thinking, people are gonna be like, oh, what'd you do during quarantine? And I'm gonna be like, I tried on every single piece of clothing I own in my closet. And it took like 8 hours. Anyways, you guys, this is the next piece. I really like it. It's just a spaghetti strap, and I'm definitely going to keep it because I think it's cute and will be cute for the summer. This, for real, used to be one of my favorite shirts ever. It looks like this, and there's like shoulder holes, and I don't know why I used to like it so much. I am still gonna keep it just because I literally love the way it looks, and I don't have another shirt like it, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be wearing it a lot, so depending on that, I will decide in like another month or two when I do another closet clean out. Well, actually, that'll probably be in like 6 months because I don't clean my closet out that often, but I guess I'll decide then if I want to get rid of it, depending on how much I wear it. Next one, it's cute, but I just feel like I kind of outgrew it, so I think I'm going to sell this one. Okay, so this one's cute. It's just another zip-up hoodie. I really do like it, so I'm going to keep it, especially because it has a fuzzy hood, which you guys can't really see, but just trust me. And I feel like it'll be good for the winter next year. And, you know, it's just like a light jacket, but also warm, so I'm going to keep this one. The next one looks like this. It's just a black t-shirt, which I feel like everyone needs, so definitely keeping this one. Black sweater, keeping. I literally never really understood how to wear this sweater. It's really warm and like fuzzy, but my mom says you're supposed to wear it like this, and like this neck thing is supposed to go around your neck and it's supposed to look like that, but it's just not comfortable, so we're gonna get rid of this one. Okay, this is the next one. I really like the color green, so I really do want to keep this shirt, but I have way too much green, so I'll be getting rid of this one so I can keep other ones that I like. This is the next one. It's really cute, and I will be keeping it. The shirt I'm wearing right now looks like this, and I literally love it. I think it's so pretty. It's a little short, but I think it's fine to wear to the beach and stuff. The next one is a camo shirt, and I mean, what else can I say other than you gotta love the camo. This is the next one. It's like a really dark green. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it is a dark green. It's comfortable, but I've just never worn it before, so I will be getting rid of it. This is the next one. It's a blue and white striped tank top or spaghetti strap shirt. I really like it, but I think I'm gonna get rid of it. We are moving on to dresses because I got bored of putting on shirts, so we're gonna go to dresses for a little bit. So this is the first dress. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but it's just a plaid spaghetti strap dress, and I really like it. I wore this one for Christmas, and I am definitely keeping it because it's cute. This one, there's just not much to say about. I don't even know why I own this. The straps are just like not okay, and it's just like puffy and doesn't flatter my body, so I will not be keeping this. So this one I actually really like. It's a romper. It's a little big. It should be like up a little more, but I think I'm gonna keep it and just get it fitted because it is really pretty and like good for the summer. I literally love this one. I love the detail here. I will be keeping it, and I've literally had this since like I think 8th grade, and it still fits, and I'm so excited because I literally love this romper. The next one, it's just a black dress with some sequins on it. I like it. I think I'm gonna keep it just because you always need a black dress. This one's also cute, but it's kind of like too long, and I got it for when I used to work at PC Richards because I had to wear like long things, so I'm not going to be keeping this one. And then we have our classic jean skirt, just the regular like jean material, and I obviously have to keep it. Okay guys, I think that about sums up this video. I literally tried on my whole entire closet and there is a mess all over my floor, so I have to start putting those all up on Poshmark before this video goes up. Again, if you guys are interested in any of the items that I said I will be getting rid of, definitely check out my Poshmark. It is again in the description box down below. And if you guys like this video, definitely subscribe to my channel and give it a huge thumbs up, and comment down below what videos you guys want to see in the future because it'll help me out a lot coming up with content for you guys. Thank you again so much for watching, and this video literally took about 3.5 hours, so yeah. I have 3 hours worth of footage that I now have to go through and edit, but I love doing it and I wouldn't do it if I didn't love it. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.